Hi everyone! I, you, she, he, it, we, they. Do you remember? Be, be. Am, am. Is, is. Say hi. Hi. Go on. Sorry. Ah. Ah. Be, am, is, are. I, am, is, are. Which one? I am. I am. I am. You. You. Am, is, are. You are. You are. You are. She. Am, is, are. Is. She is. She is. He. He am, he is, he are. He is. He is. He is. It. It am, it is, it are. It is. It is. It is. We. We am, we is, we are. We are. We are. They. They am, they is, they are. They are. They are. They are. Well done. Okay. Listen and repeat. I am. You are. She is. He is. It is. We are. They are. Perfect. I, Rach. I am Rach. I is Rach. I are Rach. I am Rach. I. I Australian. I am Australian. I is Australian. I are Australian. I am Australian. I am Australian. Well done. David. Hi, David. Hello. David. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. He, David. He am David. He is David. He are David. He is David. He Colombian. He am Colombian. He is Colombian. He are Colombian. That's right. He is Colombian. Lucy. Hi, Lucy. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. She. She. Lucy. She am Lucy. She is Lucy. She are Lucy. She is Lucy. She is Lucy. She Swedish. She am Swedish. She is Swedish. She are Swedish. She is Swedish. She is Lucy. She is Swedish. Rach. Rach and Emma. Hi, Emma. Rach and Emma. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We. Rach and Emma. Rach, Emma. We am Rach and Emma. We is Rach and Emma. We are Rach and Emma. We are Rach and Emma. We are. We Australian. We am Australian. We is Australian. We are Australian. We are Australian. Jin, Hajun, and Minjun. Hi. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. 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 Jin, Hajun, and Minjun. They am Jin, Hajun, and Minjun. They is Min, Hajun, and Minjun. They are Jin, Hajun, and Minjun. They are. They are Jin, Hajun, and Minjun. They, South Korean. They, South Korean. They am South Korean. They is South Korean. They are South Korean. They are South Korean. Well done. Pizza. Yum. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. It. It. Pizza. It am pizza. It is pizza. It are pizza. It is pizza. It, Italian. It am Italian. It is Italian. It are Italian. It is Italian. Well done. Now do the worksheet. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. See you next time. Bye. If you would like to study English with me, you can join my online English program. If you join the program, you will get the worksheet for this lesson, the worksheet for every lesson, access to all of my English courses, conversation classes every Monday, daily feedback and support, and you can contact me anytime. If you would like to find out more information or join the program, please use the link in the description. Thank you so much and happy studying!